My name is Harshvardhan Chaturvedi and I'm in legal intern at Lexis and Company. So today we are going to talk about cyber obscenity. In this developing time of internet, cybercrime is likewise being perpetrated in different structures like a hacking, digital following, digital criticism, and so on. Digital vulgarity is one of the fundamental indecency signifies sexual demonstration or language which turns individual or irritates them. At the point when profanity is emitted by means of the web, it is named as digital indecency. Digital foulness is an exchange of physically expressive materials inside the internet. Legitimately, digital foulness is additionally named as erotic entertainment, as indicated by the noteworthy Supreme Court of India. Obscenity tends to debase and ruins those whose personalities are available to such indecent impact. Digital indecency can be submitted through abstract, imaginative music, and so on. Cyber obscenity as a crime. Certain enactment recommend foulness as an offense like IPC 1860, Information Technology Act 2000, and a few others. However, none of them characterize vulgarity. They simply portray the significance of profanity as anything that is lustful or advances to the indecent interest, or if it is impact is to debase and ruin people, would be viewed as a foul. Pornography and obscenity. As we probably aware of, porn is equivalent to indecency. It's anything but a danger to netizens. In it is incorporates explicit magazines created utilizing the web, and the web communicate obscene pictures, recording, composing, and so on. Kid pornography. It's anything but a type of kid sexual abuse. It is characterized as visual portrayal, including any photo, film, video, regardless of whether made or created by electric methods or physically unacquired. Lead where it is incorporates minors taking part in physically expressing themselves directly. Segment 67B of the ITI 2008 manages the punishment for distributing or communicating material portraying kids to be occupied with physically unequivocal demonstrations or direct. Digital obscenity in India. As we probably are aware of, digital wrongdoing is expanding awfully in India, and as per Indian courts, a customary law approach of debate goal has been received. Different cases were recorded in India in ongoing time which are identified with digital foulness. For example, young men locker room case in which the accused used to have revolting discussion in gathering and had shared indecent pictures of young ladies. Essentially, there is a gathering named Young Ladies Locker Room where young ladies have been blamed for comparable vulgar remarks and discussions. In India, where the general public is in transaction and as individuals are altering themselves, they are sure gatherings or individuals who actually accept get notices identified with spreading conscious acts of utilization of clean cushions and condoms publicly are some degree foul. It is vital that individuals comprehend its sexual importance. Thank you.